How to log out your account in Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign off. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here on the bottom, there's a section called Logout. Simply tap on Logout. Now, make sure you want to remove this account and stay signed out. So also make sure you have your ID and password saved because you might need it. At last, simply tap on all devices and you're all set to go. So you have been successfully logged out from your account. Now you can log in back by simply going on the account and using your ID and password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.